Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share something that's very close to my heart in mastering English communication. Whether you're preparing for a job interview, engaging in everyday conversations, or traveling abroad, having a command over a few key phrases can make all the difference in how confidently you express yourself. So, let's dive right in. I've compiled 10 phrases that not only sound professional but also allow you to communicate with confidence. I promise you, integrating these into your speaking routine will change how you connect with others. Let's get started. Phrase 1. I'm not sure I understand completely. This phrase is a lifesaver. Use it when someone explains something that's not quite clear. There are other two expressions like, could you please explain that again? When you genuinely seek clarification respectfully, you can use this phrase. Or, I'd like to know more about. This phrase showcases the active listening and curiosity. Phrase 2. I'd be happy to help. This phrase means you are willing to help someone. You can use this phrase if someone asks you to do something, like pick up their kids from school. It offers assistance with confidence and helps to enhance professional interactions. Other two phrases for increasing professional interactions are, I'm confident I can. Demonstrating capability and initiative. Or, let's schedule a meeting to discuss. Proposing solutions and taking charge. Phrase 3. I appreciate your insight. This phrase not only expresses gratitude but shows that you value the other person's thoughts. It can lead to deeper discussions and shows emotional intelligence. Phrase 4. That's an interesting perspective. By using this phrase, you invite dialogue rather than ending it. This is especially useful in meetings or discussions to promote an open environment for sharing ideas. Phrase 5. Let's explore this further. This phrase indicates enthusiasm for a topic. It presents you as proactive and shows that you're interested in expanding on ideas. Trust me, your colleagues will notice the difference. Phrase 6. I'm looking forward to your thoughts on this. When you anticipate feedback, it shows confidence. You're not just throwing out ideas, you want to build upon them. Phrase 7. In my opinion, this phrase asserts your voice while simultaneously establishing that it's a personal perspective. It opens the floor for discussions and differing opinions. There are also similar other phrases to express opinions and persuasion like, I believe that. Stating your opinion clearly and confidently. Or, in my experience. Sharing personal insights to support your viewpoint. Or, to summarize. Summarizing key points for impactful communication. Phrase 8. I see what you're saying, but being able to acknowledge others while also presenting your viewpoint is crucial during debates or discussions. This phrase helps to de-escalate potential clashes while encouraging dialogue. Phrase 9. Let's circle back to that. If a conversation strays, take control without seeming dismissive. It shows that you're organized and mindful of the topic at hand. Phrase 10. Thank you for your patience. Or, thank you for your time. These phrases express gratitude and respect and help to build strong relationships. When you've taken time to respond or clarify, acknowledging someone's patience leaves a positive impression. There are two other phrases you can use like, it was a pleasure meeting you. Leaving a positive impression. Or, I'm looking forward to. Building anticipation and creating connections. And there you have it, 10 powerful phrases that can elevate your English communication skills. Remember, confidence isn't just about the words you use, it's how you present them. By incorporating these phrases into your conversations, you'll not only enhance your language skills, but also build smarter, more meaningful connections with others. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more language tips. Share your favorite phrases in the comments below, or let me know if there's any topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep mastering English together.